I got a great office view every day. Yep, I'm the new guy here. My name is Christopher Hughes. You can just call me Chris. I've always been kind of fascinated with helicopters. Back in Ohio, where I'm from, I took a ride on the Batcopter. I fell in love with it then, and I just love flying ever since. This one time, this guy put big letters, will you marry me? Then he had me fly over their church. So that was pretty cool. I'm just going to check all the rivets. If somebody's nervous, well, I usually tell them it's my first time too. Let's just go. It's like when you were a kid and you were afraid to get on a roller coaster. You might be scared, you might not want to go, but then once you make yourself go, then you get back on the ground and you're like, I want to go again. I mean, planes are nice, but helicopters do a pretty good job of soaking up turbulence.
I want to go to the left, barely move my wrist.
Pittsburgh's a big city. Probably the biggest city I've ever been to. My favorite site, I would say, probably the Point. It's a different perspective on things. It makes you, when you're on the ground, everything looks really big. And when you're up in the air, it makes you realize just how small everything really is. Honestly, flying at night is it's peaceful. It's just really pretty out. It's just fun. Before they get in the helicopter, they might be mad or having a bad day, but once they get out of the helicopter, they're all smiles.